Test. This guy stay out, please. I'm just gonna set up stream and then you're gonna play.
Why?
Because it's a coding game. I need you to help me.
Yeah, I'll help. You can drive.
Oh.
Sky out. Out. Sky out. 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 Sky, leave it. Good girl. Stay out.
Okay, there we go.
Back.
Alright, we're live. But first things first, you gotta kill D-Clone in this game.
Alright. Same smiter.
Yeah.
You got Hoto though.
Well, yeah, hammered in.
You don't have W bound?
No,
Z.
it's Z.
Is it spawned?
Yeah, you can, like, whenever you go somewhere, he's gonna be there.
What's your... What?
What?
Where's your battle orders?
I don't have kata yet.
Oh, okay. So, this.
Yeah. I mean, you can F1 to get your holy shield.
Oh. Your friend died.
That's okay.
Does the game still lag spike when those infernos go?
Like that?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Used to. The old.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of laggy because this is a Europe server. Cinema. You got Ravenfrost. Although, is that from Diablo or is that from random dudes?
What? Ravenfrost doesn't let you freeze?
Yeah, I think so.
Come on. I'm pulling a Tyler 1.
What did he do?
The thing?
You already have one, you gotta...
So you can just put it in your stash and you can have many in your stash?
As long as you put it in your shared stash, yeah. If you put it in that personal tab, then it doesn't, doesn't let you grab a new one.
You can ID it?
You are. Oh! That's pretty good. That's the inverse of the one we got the other day.
Yeah. I'd rather the other one. They're both 8, though,
Yeah.
which is interesting. I mean, this one's good once you're fully geared, and resistances don't matter.
Yeah, that's true.
And
Like on this character, if I put an in the shield, then I think I'm like super over-resed. So that might be the move for this guy.
you don't have Sprinto.
F3.
Very nice.
Alright, you ready to code?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Are your graphics maxed?
Yeah, I think so. You want to exit? Or Alt F4 maybe? Alright, so this is the game. You can read this. I'd recommend it, probably.
Second public prototype in an ongoing series exploring creativity, simulation, and accessible coding systems. HiveMind is a set of small experiments aimed at developing a creative coding simulation game. I'm a solo developer building tools that make programming feel approachable and strategic using simple drag and drop block coding to drive complex behavior. Xenogenesis
Yeah, Xeno is what I've been saying, but I don't know.
continues that exploration. In this prototype, you design xenotypes, customizable alien units defined by their appearance and by the logic you build for them. Each unit inherits the code you wrote and runs it independently in the world. The premise is simple. You're an alien hive mind that has crash landed on a living planet. Your job is to gather resources, grow your colony, and survive the planet's defense organisms as night cycles progress. You'll manage Fraz, your unit's waste and main building material. Construct basic structures, guide movement using pheromones, and experiment with behaviors that keep your colony alive and long enough to build defenses. Xenogenesis uses an early version of the HiveForge block coding engine focused on testing how well simple logic blocks can drive autonomous behavior, resource flow, and survival challenges. Like the rest of the HiveForge prototypes, it's a small, self-contained experiment meant to explore what works and what doesn't as the larger project develops.
Sure. There's a tutorial to show you how to like code, but you don't need to watch that. That's the fun of this part of it.
Unity runs in browser.
Apparently.
Is that how you played?
Yeah.
Is this gonna...
Okay. Took a second. So press spacebar to pause the game. And then yeah, you can zoom out, right click and drag to move around.
Mm-hmm.
And to middle click measures distance. That's your nucleus. That's your thing you need to defend. And then that's your building, like your barracks basically. And then in order to put a unit in your barracks, you have to create a xenotype. So left click, and then create new. And then you can edit the shape and the color. But you have to hit the little pencil and edit the code. So you can right click to add different boxes. And everything starts with a tick.
Are these connected? Oh, I connect them.
Yeah.
How do I delete this?
Grab the top of it and drag it over to the trash can at the bottom left.
Okay. What am I supposed to do?
So your units need to go to the trees, and they need to consume the trees, and they'll poop out frass.
Where are my units?
You create them. So once you get your code and put it in the barracks, then you click that egg, and the egg will spawn one of your units that you've coded.
How do you know all this?
Because I've played the game before.
Okay, so I need something to put in the barracks.
Yeah.
That's like spawn unit.
You create the unit here. So what do you want your unit to do? You want it to go to the frass.
This. Move.
I mean, you're gonna need to move, but where's it moving?
And then I add.
So the move to target needs a world reference, right? So you have to find the what's it called? Type? I think it's called a type.
I feel like it should start with something. Okay. Is this what I'm supposed to do?
I mean, I think so. It's not working because you can't just move to it. You have to find it. There's another command to find something. Yeah, find nearest type. Did it not work? Maybe right click and zoom around and spawn somewhere weird. Maybe it's hiding under another block.
It also seems like stream is very laggy.
That's pretty standard. It looks better if you click on the YouTube one. That one, yeah.
Okay.
So the complexity up here is how much your unit's going to cost, and it's going up, which means it's creating that box you're trying to create. It's just not visible for some reason. Okay, there it is. So the type frass is what you get after you eat the green stuff.
So this should be biomass?
Yeah.
Alright, so find nearest type. Where the type is this. No, the world reference is this.
So you have everything right. It's just it has to go the other way. The type has to go into the type hole for the left side of that. Find nearest type. Yeah.
Okay. And then I want to move to target. Like, is that built in or this?
Yeah, I thought the same thing, but yeah, you have to grab that world ref and put it into that.
This?
Yeah.
What does... I mean, if you have one arrow, they should just be together, but okay. So you find the nearest type and then move to it. So that's good?
I mean, yeah, that should work.
Save, close. Close the edit, and then I drag this into the world.
No, you drag it into your barracks. But he's just going to move to it and do nothing. So you want him to consume it as well.
And I want to consume the same thing. Oh no, I need a new... this. Right?
Not frass. Frass is what you get after you consume.
This?
Yeah.
Can I use that same one?
Probably. I don't know if you can link to there or you link to the middle one, because the move to target doesn't have a world ref. So.
Oh, so I need a new find?
I think that one will double. If you grab the find nearest types world ref on the right side, you can also drag that to the consume, I think.
Okay. Now how do I... Oh yeah, I drag this here. Okay, so close the edit, and then I drag this to the barracks. What's the barracks? This thing?
Yeah.
What's this?
That's how you spawn your unit. So once time is unpaused, then you'll spawn your unit. And then click the egg. Oh, it's got to generate.
Okay, so it's going to spawn from here, find the nearest green thing, and go consume it.
Yep.
And then I have to tell it to come back with the fraz?
If you want it to come back with the fraz, you have to put it in the code now.
Yeah.
So you can either spawn dudes that are just going to do this, or you can make complicated dudes that...
So they consume it, and then there's fraz on the ground?
Yeah.
Alright. So these will be... Command, find nearest target. Constants, type, fraz. Move to target. Okay, this is this. This should... I guess if you can reference it multiple places. Tick goes to flow. Then this, move to target. These all reference this.
It's already there.
Oh, it is that.
Yeah.
And then... Is it consume or is it pick up? Pick up. And then I have to return home. So constant type structure.
Structure will bring it back to your barracks, yeah.
Where do I need to bring it?
You could bring it home, which was my original idea, and stack all your resources near base. And the way to do that would be, what's it called? Follow pheromone red, because your nucleus is red pheromones. So that kind of moves to pheromone.
Do I have to like drop all? Yeah, drop all. It's just gonna drop everything, so I don't need to reference the resource. Okay. So wait, it's this one. We can only spawn one thing at the barracks at a time?
Yeah.
So it's ready. I click the egg and it goes. And then I do this.
Yep.
And then I can just alternate. Can I have multiple barracks?
You can. It costs 20 frass to build a new barracks.
But I need more of these. Because he doesn't have to come back.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm getting fraz. How do I build a barracks?
Bottom right, constructions. And then that's your incubation chamber barracks.
Okay.
So if you want them to haul stuff there, they need to go to blue pheromone, not to structure, because it's not a structure yet. It will be a structure eventually.
Okay, so... how do I blue pheromone? It's not a type?
There, commands follow pheromone.
Follow means go to?
Yeah, basically.
Blue, and you knew it was going to be blue? Because that's the order?
Yeah, because the blueprint is blue.
But I didn't build it yet, so how did you know? Find
just what it always is.
nearest. Okay, so I don't even need to find. I just do this.
Maybe was that it's gonna move to target, and the pickup is weird now because like it's going into the pickup, but the pickup's not going anywhere after.
Oh yeah, you're right. Now it's good.
Yeah, that down to pickup, and then it'll go to blue and drop it.
But that one won't. So this one will.
Yeah.
That one's broken.
What's he doing? Told to drop all but not holding anything. Yeah. He's broken. Oh! That one saved him?
No, he still doesn't have. He's supposed to find nearest structure. How do I delete him?
Top left, purge button.
Okay. And then, does this cost to build them?
Yeah, so bottom left is your
This?
currency. Yeah.
How much does it cost?
It's costing 31 to make one of these.
So after I build the blue, I just delete them?
Delete the dudes who built the blue? You can.
Or can I edit their code? Well,
No. So their code's final now.
Yeah, so when I'm done building the blue, I just delete them?
Yeah, you can.
Or I build another blue?
It's up to you.
Or I just keep them because it's fine?
I found there was not much value in having more barracks. Because this thing's like already ready. And you could just swap the unit type in it. Like you can swap back to your consumer guy if you want.
Okay, how do I build fighters?
You don't. There's no fighters, there's just builders.
Can I build a turret?
No.
It said I was supposed to defend for night
Yeah, so
cycles.
the only thing you can build to defend is walls. Which make more sense once you see the enemy.
Okay.
So this is the first night. The first night's free. You don't get attacked. But the next night you do get attacked.
Okay, but how do I defend if all I can build is walls?
You just build the walls to block the attack, and then it sees your wall and tries to go around. It'll like bounce off and find a new path to attack.
Okay, so structure. I need a wall in here?
No, so to build walls, you have to get a builder dude. If you go into the edit of the code and then right click commands maybe, and then build wall is one of the options.
And how do I tell him where to build?
So you can go follow pheromone command, and then green is the one that you can place with your finger. So if you click the eyeball top left,
Is this good?
I think you want them opposite because he'll go to that pheromone and then build wall.
Hmm.
And then, so top left, click the eyeball,
How do I change the picture?
that color, and then the shape just left of that. So that guy's not going to pick anything up yet. That code's not going to work.
Why?
Because he's just following pheromone and then building wall, so he needs to be carrying a frass and then go to the pheromone and then build a wall there.
Okay, so I need to follow pheromone blue because that's where all the frass is.
No, I mean, you need to pick up frass. So the easiest way to do that is find closest frass, pick up, and then move to
Okay,
green.
well, I'm gonna try pick up. This frass, and then follow pheromone green. How come I can't connect those?
I have no idea. Why wouldn't that work? Yeah, I don't know.
So we'll do find nearest for us.
Oh, yeah, that might work.
So you go away. That's what you told me to do. What's the difference between type and world ref?
Don't know.
Alright.
Uh-oh.
What?
He's not moving.
Mm-hmm. Find nearest type. So find frass. Pick up. Oh, we need to move to
Yeah.
before, right?
We just gotta find it and then move there.
So this doesn't have frass anymore? Where are they going?
I don't know. They don't have a new structure to build, so they're...
How do I give a blue marker?
You can't. You can only place green markers.
Why is he building walls?
Because he doesn't have a green marker to go to.
How do I put a green marker?
So top left, click the eyeball, and then the little finger, and then wherever you click becomes a green marker. And you can't erase them.
Okay. Why is it going that way?
He's stealing that guy's frass.
That's fun. Okay, so how do I give a blue marker for him?
You have to make a blueprint.
Okay, so I just build another structure.
Yeah. That'll... Uh-oh.
I don't have 20 frass, so I can't.
I don't know why it's not working. It should, I think.
It's because I can't have too many barracks.
Maybe.
Alright, so I need to despawn this guy because... There we go.
He ate the frass?
He picked it up.
No, usually when they pick it up, you can see them holding it like a drone with minerals. He just deleted it.
What's this guy?
He's your other builder dude that built the barracks.
What's this one?
He's just consuming stuff still.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Is he stuck?
No, when you open the code, it pauses the game.
Okay. He can move through walls?
Yeah. Your units can move through walls. It's just the enemy mycelium thing can't.
They're stuck on each other?
They get stuck on the river, so the river has collision and they don't really know how to get around it.
So I just delete. What?
Yeah, I mean, fair enough.
Okay, and I can't get rid of these. But I need, like, I'm protecting this.
Yep.
So if I just draw a box. Oops.
Yeah.
Block info. No. This, right click. Okay, this. I can't move these?
No.
And then I win? They can't get in?
They'll get in because they'll break the walls. So as he places, why is he?
If I spawn him, he'll be inside the wall? Or no, those are just green markers.
Yeah. And your units don't care about walls, they walk through walls.
So it's not like build the wall perfectly, it's just kind of a general guideline.
Yeah. Like they'll go to the nearest green, they'll place a block, and usually it deletes all other green blocks within like 3-4 tiles. But not always, I guess.
Look at them go.
Yeah.
Teamwork. What do I use all my other resources on?
Exactly. I don't know. You can have more dudes building more walls. More guys consuming stuff.
Yeah, I can. I guess they'll bump into each other.
Yeah, they do.
It's definitely not intuitive the way... Oh. Like... I guess, yeah, you're referencing types. Find nearest, move to. When would you use ifs?
So that's like if it's nighttime, you want them to build walls. If it's daytime, you want them to just consume stuff. You need more complicated stuff like that.
If your resources are limited
Yeah.
and you can only build one person, then yeah, sure.
Yeah, so the complexity of each dude costs different amounts of currency. So the more blocks you have, the more expensive a unit
It should
is.
be the other way around.
The less.
The more complicated your code is,
Should be rewarding.
yeah,
And
you get rewarded and then
Cost less.
costs less. So
Yeah,
then
that
you
makes sense.
you have one guy who can eat the stuff, like find what's closest. If it's green stuff, eat it. If it's blue stuff, go bring it to the green. And then you're here and it's find the closest thing. And if it's blue, then you're going to come back. If it's green, you're going to...
Yeah.
Let's try and do that. Just for fun.
Yeah.
I don't like how the new is here, but then it adds it to the top.
True.
Which is fine. I need to get rid of that. That should be like a right click or something, because I always put the green there.
Yep.
I just want to change this so I know. Alright, so we want to find nearest. Oh, but you specify. So we need green biomass. We need frass. And we need pheromone for green. What's this? So find nearest type. Okay, so find nearest. How do we compare? Find nearest biomass. Then can we find nearest frass? And then check distance. If true, how do I set the condition?
Just true, false.
Condition to test. Okay, so find nearest constants type. Like I need this to give me a distance output.
Yeah.
And then I can if else compare, like add a compare block instead of an if else. Or if I had a find nearest and it didn't look for something specific.
Yeah. Can you put multiple types into a find nearest?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
So find nearest, but don't move there. Find nearest. This isn't Turing complete. What could you put in the true false?
If the pickup was successful, I think is a thing, an example Marco used.
But I didn't have to when I did this.
Right. But sometimes they go to pick up and something else had already picked that thing up that they were trying to pick up, and then they still just go ahead and walk to the place they were going to build it.
And then what do? Then they go back to green, and it's a waste.
Yeah. They just wasted all the walking time.
Like they walk to pick something up.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't exist.
Yep.
And then they walk to green.
Yep.
With nothing.
With nothing.
How do we show that? That should happen often, because they should always go to the same spot. Like this one's going back to green
with nothing.
And
if
then
you click him, you can see his little log. I don't know if it'll help.
And then his closest is probably the same as his closest.
Yeah.
So these two should go to the closest blue, and only this one will win. He doesn't go when it's already gone. That's kind of a optimization that he doesn't have to. Okay, so if I fix it, it'll only be on new ones.
Yep.
So success, follow pheromone. But you can't do that. You need a if. Oh no.
It's somewhere.
No.
Maybe not.
Is there undo?
I don't know.
Okay, if else. So success, true, false. So I need flow to go here. If true, go there. Else, go here. Oh no, I need to find nearest. Okay. So I need another find nearest. Can't reuse the same one.
Oh.
Commands, find nearest. But I should be able to use that.
Nice.
Find nearest, and then I don't think this would work, right? Because the world ref is the other one.
It might work.
Move to target. Find nearest type. Move to target. And then this is pheromone. There's definitely something weird with where that shows up. For your screen size or something.
Yeah. That's one thing he said was what size monitor and what browser you're using.
So this... Oh, I don't need to reference it. I just go there. And then build wall. No?
I think you have to go on the other side, but I don't know if it's going to let you or if you're going to have to do another block of build wall.
Okay. Can you max out complexity more than 100%? No. I don't know what that did.
I have no idea.
Build wall. So you can build wall for other things. I wonder if you can just get them to figure out the best place to build the wall. Okay, so now I fixed it, but only on new ones. So we'll change the color. No, black was good. Orange was good. Alright, so... Wait, what? Oh, it's already there. So these ones should not have problems.
Yeah.
But in order to get the else case, we need it to have a problem with another one.
There's your enemy.
Where?
Top left.
Oh. And it just, if it touches, oh, you said it damages walls.
Yeah.
Does it always come from the same spot?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's fun. Does it consume itself to take down the walls?
No, I kind of just see how it bounced off your wall. So it'll try to find a new path now. But it'll still constantly damage your wall with that little point of contact that it has.
Yeah, so we fixed that bug. So
the
now
orange ones are
the orange ones are good. But it's always the nearest green, but I don't want the nearest green. I want nearest to a structure. Can I build a structure and then reference the nearest to that?
Yes.
Because I can't remove these to give priority to these.
Correct.
What happens if it gets the water? Is it going to get super juiced?
The water is just like a wall, but infinite health wall. So yeah, as they walk through the greens, they consume the...
Why?
Because the pheromone, they like sniff it all up.
Even though they didn't build their wall.
Yep.
Okay. So this doesn't get consumed when it eats walls?
What's that?
The enemy.
No. The thick yellow path will always be there and always damage things near it.
Okay. So all you can do is build layers and layers of walls.
Correct.
And just hope. See, that's why you need efficient...
Yeah. Because the green stuff regens if it's near water. The plants will grow. But you only have so much monies.
That's not green?
Green? The
Like
currency?
This?
Yeah.
I start with that set amount?
Exactly. You start with 666.
Okay. But I have nothing else to do besides build these.
Yep.
It'd be nice if you had resources per day. So if you had inefficient workers, they consume too many resources. So you're incentivized to fix them. Like, right now there's no point in me deleting those even though they're not efficient.
You get half currency back.
Oh, and I'm now capped? I can't build these anymore?
You're not capped. You still have some currency bottom left. Okay, why not?
I don't like that it's now, like, this is a purple, but it's now orange because I changed the
Yeah, that is weird.
the source.
Which makes me think, can you make a bunch at the start real cheap and then jack up their complexity and then refund them and increase your money?
Bug report.
Maybe.
Maybe.
And even your intelligent one's stuck for some reason.
This one?
Yeah.
Right. And if I delete them, I lose. I was told to move to target, but target is invalid.
Target should just be a frass, and his if then should then find a new one, right?
Or it's a green and he's on a green.
Oh. That's true.
So I need a condition that if they get stuck, so let's see. My cursor's gone. Oh yeah, because I'm in this mode. Okay. So if they can't move to target, move to target. There's no success on move to target.
No.
So well, I don't need to kill them because that will eventually destroy my wall. Or no, it bounces off the wall.
Yeah.
So
I mean, it will eventually destroy the wall. Like up top left, where it's bounced off, it'll still damage that part where it. And all your dudes get damaged when they walk through it as well. So you can click on your units and see their health.
so that's yellow essence or yellow pheromone.
That's the enemy. He's called, I don't know, mycelium or something.
But if I can say, see, like I need to be able to say find nearest, and if it's that thing,
Don't go near it.
somehow, yeah,
Yeah.
because it's declarative, but
See, this is like too complicated for me.
and then what's emit pheromone?
So as they're walking, they can drop a pheromone.
To tell others how to do stuff.
I don't know. I haven't thought of a purpose for it yet. But the coding for me is like too complicated. But then for you, you're like, I want more options. I want to be able to.
No, it's complicated, but you told me how to do it, so I got to start from a working example. Without you telling me, it's like find nearest, pick it up. But no, I have to move to.
Right.
So you leapfrogged my learning. Like
Yeah.
if you want to send him the video and be like, this is how people think about it, I kind of messed that up. We messed that up. But yeah, you would want, like, there's nothing else to do. You would want, the only thing to do is to improve your guys so they don't get stuck. Like, you're the overlord watching them.
Yep.
And yeah, they're building walls like I told them to. There, that one just died from being on the yellow.
Oh.
But I don't get more resources, so somehow you should get more resources. Like killing the yellow, or...
You can refund your dudes if they're about to die. That's one way to get resources.
True.
But
So he has a health if I click on him?
yeah.
Okay, so there's health. Can I check the health?
I don't know.
Like in the flow, do like a status health, and then I'll tell him to like avoid yellow or move to move to the brain or one of my structures, and then I can kill all the low ones will be there and I can just kill them. Or even if they have a self kill.
Self purge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make banelings and have them explode into walls when they get X amount of HP. That'd be cool.
If they damage walls. But I just mean if you're gonna die because you're walking on yellow, just self purge and then I can get resources back. Because I feel like once you figure out the most efficient program for this, like I don't really know what else to do besides this, but you would just stick with that.
Yeah, for sure.
So I don't know if there's like some DNA damage where the programming gets damaged or something.
And that's why they're stuck. I don't know why your guys are stuck. For my game, it made sense why they were stuck, because they were like trying to get to a frass over on the other side of the lake and they couldn't. But your guys are just like trying to walk into the lake for some reason.
Well, hang on. They have frass, and the closest green thing is on the other side of the lake.
Is that a green thing right there? Or is that a block?
Well, there's green things over there. The closest.
So you can plant a new green thing and free them.
Yeah. And then these... Oh, no, they should move through walls, right? These
Yeah.
ones don't have frass.
Yeah. I
So
don't know
their
why they're
closest
so-
frass is also on the other side of the lake. He got bumped.
Nice. Dude, that one is a brick. He's been there.
Alright, he gets purged. Respawn some more. Why are they coming down to come over? Is this... Oh, this is water as well.
Yeah.
But you built a bridge somehow.
No, I didn't build a bridge. In that clip, I had like 3 guys stuck on the right side, and then a random other one came up the left side and planted the wall, which got rid of like 4 tiles of green pheromone, and then freed the other ones.
Now this one's stuck. I was told to move to target, but target is invalid. So he's supposed to eat the green stuff? So there must be green stuff over there.
He's orange, but you've since changed him, so he might be an old dude of that bottom, because he's a different shape than the other ones. I don't well know what he's... There's another one bottom left-ish.
That guy? Yeah, he was one of the inefficient ones. But I need this. Oh yeah, I gotta undo that. So he just eats the green biomass.
Oh, okay.
Where are you going? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's definitely cool that it's so simple, but then now the closest is down there, and none of those things are going to go down there, except if I spawn a new one, he should go down there.
Nice.
But yeah, if I just keep building these, because that's where it's going to go next, right?
That one, yeah, it's going up and over the water.
So you can't get any more currency. That's all you start with, and it's kind of how many days can you last.
Exactly.
And can I destroy one of these barracks and get money back?
I don't think so.
They didn't cost money. They only cost
It cost 20 frass to build.
frass.
So one of my thought process was, like, am I getting 20 blocks worth of surface area covered by building a building?
True.
Is it more efficient to build those?
Definitely.
But then when it dies, the whole thing dies, and then the wall just launches through.
Do they destroy those structures?
Yeah, they did. That's what I wanted to test.
I only have one structure.
You have the one you made, and then the one you started with. So you have
Yeah,
two.
but there's
Yeah.
no cannon structure.
No, just the barracks.
It's an incubation chamber.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so I can speed this up.
Yeah, if you press 3 on the... Yeah.
Oh my gosh! It's been left unchecked. You said it always comes from the same way, and I got complacent.
Yep.
But yeah, somehow I need to like change colors. Can I change colors and put a different thing?
No, you can only drop green pheromone.
Because if I had a different color, their program could be check for purple. If there's purple, go to the nearest purple. If there's no purple, go to the nearest green. And then I could just alternate. Oh no. But the structure. I put too much green. And that's going to be game.
Yeah.
Has touched this.
Yeah. Oh, you have a day to figure it out.
But I can't figure anything out.
I don't know. Maybe you can.
What can I do?
Yeah, I don't know. You can't make any more dudes, but you could purge the ones that are up there doing nothing and spawn ones down here, and they'll run closer to Frass, and then build those closer ones.
I only have 2.
Oh, they've been running around getting hurt.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I was supposed to keep an eye on them. He's still healthy, but, I mean, I'll purge them. I'll do everything I can. I mean, he's actually on his way to do something.
Oh, that's another reason. The if and for the day-night cycle is if it's nighttime, go back to the nucleus. So that they don't run around at night and get hurt all the time.
Oh, they only get hurt at night.
I think so.
So day-night, go to the nucleus, and then... Well, also what I should do is get... Frass. Or what's this blue stuff?
Yeah, Frass.
Get Frass, come back to the nucleus, then go to the nearest screen.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
And then you're not stuck building out there.
Yeah.
Alright. We tried.
Did you get another one? From refunding?
No. Wait. I wanted to delete you.
Is he eating?
Yeah, but that's fine. I have enough thingamajigs.
You have enough Frass?
I'm gonna die tomorrow.
Yeah, I guess.
I might as well get another one. So, can this be more efficient if they just bring it closer?
That's, yeah, my initial thought
No,
was
it's the same thing.
have a unit type that consumes, have a unit type that brings it back to the nucleus, and then have a unit type that builds it. And that kind of worked. But then, like, this one costs 25 for 0 complexity, but then all the complexity you put in this one's only 36. So it's only like 50% more, but it does more.
So... What if I spawned something that could navigate to the green and consume it without building a wall?
That's what you did first, isn't it?
No, but right now, like, then I just go, okay, quickly walk the green, basically, and delete it all.
Oh.
Instead of do.
Right.
And then I can just put green here.
Yeah.
So that would be a good one to build. But I don't have any money to actually do anything.
Right.
Or even if you said at night, don't move. Because you can't build at night, correct?
You can build.
Oh, you can. But yeah, if I said don't move at night, then they can't get hurt. Except if they're already on a enemy.
Right.
Also, if you could refund for full amount and then change, like you're talking about, split up your complexity.
Yeah.
But there's no point in refunding a complex unit when you only get half. Right? Like, if I learn I'm doing something inefficient, I can't really do something more efficient because I'll lose half anyways. So there's no way I can be more than twice as efficient.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. 5 evenings. What'd you get?
6. But then I played again and I broke the game.
How'd you break you got infinite?
So I discovered that blueprints, when you plant them, they act as a wall, but they don't take damage. So the thing collides with it, tries to go around.
And you tell nothing to build it.
Yeah, exactly. And so I didn't lose, but I didn't win because you need to see this screen and then print screen in order to like enter the competition that Marco's doing. And this number is the most important thing. You survived 8 evenings, 9 evenings, whatever.
So when you never lose, you never get that.
Yeah.
And you can't delete blueprints?
No.
You have to get them built.
Yeah. And I didn't have any units to build anything. But you can inspect the element somehow and just change that number 5, can't you?
I guess. But it's like WebGL or something?
I don't know.
It's a canvas? I mean, you could Photoshop it the same.
That's true. Yes, you can do that.
Okay. Yeah, it's all just canvas. So it's one HTML element that you can inspect and edit, but it's drawing like a video game graphics. Draw this box, draw this button.
Okay.
So you can't do that.
Gotcha.
Oh no. What happened?
I don't know.
I wanted to close it, but my cursor disappeared. Oh, pretty cool.
So now you know they spawn multiple locations, and the locations are always the same. So first one spawns top left-ish, second one spawns top right-ish, then bottom left, and then close right.
Yeah, so is there any way to heal?
I don't think so.
So find nearest. Green biomass. And then consume, right?
Yeah.
And then find nearest. And it's a structure?
You can go follow pheromone blue and then plant a blueprint somewhere and they'll go there.
I want them to go back to the hive.
Oh, then you can follow pheromone red, or there's another thing for nucleus. I haven't messed with that yet. There. I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't work, I guess.
But it charges me for it?
Maybe. I guess I gotta pay attention to
Complexity 4%.
33.3334.
Okay, so consume. Oh, I don't have to find nearest. I just move to. Oh wait, I have to pick up. We'll get there. Find nearest. Constant. Frass. And then pick up. And it's gonna be successful because it's right there and it just ate it.
True.
So we can not pay for complexity. Pick up and then move to target. And then drop. Right?
That should work.
Drop all. Oh. Drop all. And then does it auto restart when it gets to the end?
Yeah.
Because, yeah, if this had a thing there, but okay.
So you're just missing one thing. On your find nearest, the world ref has to go to the consume, I think.
Okay, so find nearest green biomass.
Yeah.
Then consume.
But the consume's connected to flow, but not the world ref.
Yep. Oh, yeah, this.
That one. And then same thing for the nearest frass.
So then it's going to bring the frass to here. So we'll put you there. And then I want a worker, like the color, to find nearest constant frass. And then find nearest, no, follow pheromone green, and then build wall. No, move to? No, follow does that. Build wall. Right?
He's got to pick up the frass as well in between. And if someone else, doesn't really matter, he'll just move to the next nearest. Yeah, should be close. Unless,
even if
no,
he
he
doesn't.
won't, because he'll start walking to the green thing without it. And it will be a problem. Like, he won't just find a new one.
Right. No. Alright, find nearest pickup. Success has to be an if.
I guess.
Success.
Oh, so this is like the splitter. So that has to go between the pickup and the two options that are going to come from it.
Yeah, I was trying.
Okay.
Success.
What's the inventory item option?
The item that you picked up. So you could say, like, if it's a type. Okay, so find nearest frass, pick up frass. Success goes here. If true, follow pheromone. Else, nothing, and then it'll just restart.
Maybe, yeah.
Alright. So I'll build one of those, and just keep building those and draw green, right?
Yeah.
And then I'll let them build that, and then I'll draw that, and then I'll draw that. So I need
Uh-oh. He's not moving.
this one. Undo this. Oh no. I'm too far away to interact with green biomass in any way. Why?
I guess he's not moving to green biomass. He's finding and then he's consuming. Ah, we forgot to move to.
I could do that.
Yeah, I think that works.
Okay, so you're dead. No.
What?
He's not moving. Oh, it's paused. Okay. So is the contest live, or he's gonna work on it more?
It's live.
It's dead, Jim. Before consume. Oh, he's consuming? It takes a long time?
Yeah.
No, he's dead, right?
He is.
Find nearest. Before consume. Why? Why?
Because he's doing like one tick of consuming, and then he's trying to do the next thing, but there is no frass to grab. He should consume enough for one frass, rather than one single tick.
Move to consume the world reference, which is this. Move to target, consume. Okay. They're all dead. Dead.
Yeah, if you click on them, you can see how much they've eaten in order to get their poo-poo, the frass. So they have one tick. So I guess this plan doesn't work.
Why?
I don't know, because they need 100 calories of green stuff to make a frass, and for some reason they're only getting one.
Okay, so can I check?
Probably not. I don't know. How would you do that?
So he's stuck looking for frass?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just make a new type that will...
Oh, if you pick up frass, then bring it back. If you don't, else find nearest green and consume. Okay, that should work.
Find nearest frass. Pick up. Success, which we said we don't need the extra complexity.
Yeah, so success, move to target and drop it at nucleus. Good. Else, go find another green and consume that.
So, after pickup? No,
Yeah.
it doesn't pick up. Oh, and it fails. Success is... If true, no. Success is the true false. If true, move to target. Else it'll just restart, right?
Yeah. That makes sense. And the green guy is working because he doesn't have a frass to grab.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
Why?
He might now that the thing's not in his way. Oh, okay.
Now, find nearest type. I should be able to see the entire thing of its current command.
Right.
So it did consume. Then it's supposed to find nearest frass, which it can't do.
Oh. So it needs an if then for finding? Is that possible?
So this
No, it's not.
goes here, find nearest. Probably. If true, go here. Else, it'll go back to the beginning.
Okay.
No, we need a condition. What does debug?
I have no idea.
If you add a, where was it? Debug.
There's a legend. If you look at the block info bottom right.
Just so it prints a message.
debug displays.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
So that if it gets to that spot in the code, you get a message. So we can figure out what it's doing. Like, it's after the consume. Find nearest. And then you could put a message here.
It writes the message, or you write the message?
You write a message.
Oh. Why?
Debug to figure out what's happening.
Oh, okay. Just so you can tell where in the chain it broke?
Yeah. How far did you get? I always put my name because that always jumps out immediately. So consume, and then I want to go to my message, and then this value. Like, do I put a word thing there?
I don't know.
Yeah, so you definitely just have one eat the green stuff, and then one bring the blue stuff to the nucleus. And then, so it printed my Cody.
Yeah. So it did its one consume.
Yeah. But we need to like have a loop where it consumes until it gets to poop full, but we don't have loop. Well, we can flow back to here, but you can't have multiple entrances on the flow.
Right.
Which is interesting. And then you can't check if it's full. So really the only thing you can do to consume green stuff is have a bot, have a xenotype that just consumes the green stuff and doesn't try and pick up the other stuff. We can keep these. I wonder if it charges you for debug in the complexity. We can keep these and then just make a new one. Which is find nearest green biomass. Did you find this? Move to and consume. Right?
Yeah, should work.
And then it poops it out automatically.
Yep.
Oh no. Target is invalid.
What?
Find nearest green biomass.
Oh.
Move to.
That world ref needs to double. Yeah.
Because then after this consumes a tick, it'll go and get the blue stuff and do what I want.
True.
And then eventually it will poop.
Yeah, after
eventually.
It gets one tick after 100 bites of tree. Although, once this tree's gone, maybe it'll find a new tree?
Now you should be going. I'm too far to interact with Frazen anyway.
Oh, he's eating. Full eat.
What?
Why now? Because a Frass exists, it changed his loop?
Yeah.
That's weird.
That makes no sense. Why are you not going? Find nearest Frass. Pick up Frass. Oh, we need to move to. Move to target. And then this. And I can keep that. Very nice. So you're dead.
You already have them open.
Okay, now I need... Oh, I have some of that. Oh, yeah, I accidentally put that. So, you guys need to go over there, but I have to wait for them to do all that.
Unless you start a new one that just goes to green and consumes it as he walks through. So he'll always be getting rid of it.
Oh yeah, we talked about that.
But then you can just replant it where you want.
Yeah. So move to find target.
Just follow pheromone, I think.
Oh yeah. I'm in this mode, which is... It's weird that there's two ways of doing it. So go to green pheromone. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
Just a little janitor cleaning up mistakes.
Yeah. I can't see them.
Yeah, so now he's trolling the friends, but that's okay. So we don't want walls there right now.
So now, if he's faster than them or something, then that's a problem.
You can delete them.
I could, yeah, but I'll just keep them, and then I have to be active.
Yes.
It'd be nice if you could pause and not have to kill them, which I'm only asking for. Yeah, that's
gonna be a problem.
he needs to die. Okay, so after they do that, then I'll draw up here, or is it down here?
So yeah, first one's top left, next one's top right, and then bottom left. Why is the blue guy not doing anything?
The blue guy. Move to target invalid.
Because someone consumed his green thing, maybe?
I mean, he was supposed to bring it to the nucleus. But yeah, I just need, like, we'll do this red one, to just bring it to nucleus.
Got 0 complexity.
He does?
Yeah, I don't think you actually made anything in the red one. I don't know how to delete it. Oh, there's a little trash can top right.
No, this one has all the complexity.
No, I'm talking this red one.
Oh, yeah, I'll just make him now. Oh, what the? He doesn't have a starting. How do I delete?
Top right-ish there, yeah.
Okay, I will, so find nearest constant raz. And then move to this, and then pick up. And then should I do if? Then I want to this thing move to target. Wait, okay, yeah, and then move to target and then drop all.
So he's less complicated than that bottom one, but it should actually work.
Drop. Find nearest type. Drop.
Oh, so he is dropping it, but then he's picking it up again because it's the closest frass. So then he needs... That's kind of what I did my first time, and then we got around it by having a construct blueprint elsewhere, and then he moves to that real quick, and then he'll grab a new one and bring it back. Oh, nice!
That's good. Now they're handing it off. So he's still bringing it close, but then he's out of commission.
Yeah, he CCs himself.
I don't know what I could do. Besides moving to like a green thing.
He could drop it, and then you could have your farters, the ones that are going around consuming, they could be emitting pheromones blue, and then he can go to blue.
Well, he can move to green until such time as... Oh, I can't move. I have to find nearest. So drop and then find nearest. And then move to target.
Yeah.
And then restart. He's going to take that from him.
He did probably once.
Yeah, and now he's going to green, and now he's going to thing. Alright, now let's see. Nice. Except he has to go to green, which is inefficient. Alright, you're out of commission. Okay, now I can just draw stuff and have fun drawing. Then they're almost done that, then they'll do that, and then I'll just draw circles all around, right?
That might work.
I guess I needed like some of this action.
Depends. I don't know how the bouncing works.
And oh no.
We have our janitor.
Yeah. It's okay. This is almost built. That can be built. So I just need to pump these guys out. No, he's stuck.
He's stuck because he's trying to go to that green one, and the building's in his way. Why didn't he consume that green as he walked through it?
This one?
Yeah.
Because he's not trying to.
I didn't think that's how it worked, though.
It's okay. We'll keep bumping him. He'll be free in no time. Just you wait.
Oh.
Bump them. Bump. Get out of there. No. Nice.
All right.
This is fun. Alright. Okay, there's our enemy. Oh, nice. And we got that.
It did a 180. It's going right back to where it came from.
Mirror image. Except I want them to do this, so I need to stop drawing. Why'd you take that? Oh, because that's the closest one. He's stuck in a Sherm loop. Why doesn't that happen every time? Ooh, can I find furthest green?
I don't know.
Move to furthest screen? Like, they should both be just bouncing here.
He might now. Because he
No,
was farther.
No.
Make a new one, and then he'll bounce between the frass they're getting and those green. Because all your builders are top left right now.
Oh, yeah. Yes. This one will consume. Yes. But I need to build this, right?
It's next one's over here.
I know, but I have some.
Right. Yeah.
I need to stop up here.
Yeah, that should be good for a bit. And the forest and the lake help you as well. They act as a wall for the...
If I didn't draw this by accident.
It'll come in clutch in the 14th night or whatever when something breaks through and you have a backup.
I know, but I want them to build that first. That's why I need another color. Like priority purple and then...
Right. Priority sequence on pheromone.
Well, you just... If you could compare... I'm out, right? 15
Oh, yeah.
and I can't get any more.
Yeah, unless you purge. Like that guy's bricked.
Which one? This one?
Bottom of those trees, he's been there for a long time.
He was the super one that was supposed to do everything?
Yeah.
So these guys just move it closer?
Yeah.
And these guys grab close and go there
Yep.
to prioritize marks I make close. But it's not really working that way. Well, it is actually. I just don't have enough. What? He didn't... Oh, yeah. Now, where's your closest? He didn't do anything. He thought there was one here. They should both go for that, which is not good. It's weird, though, because all you can do is find the nearest.
Yeah.
These don't consume. It was that super one.
Right. They're just going to green to not be at the nucleus, picking up and dropping.
Those ones, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, but if they did consume. Okay, can you draw this now?
Oh no, they're all stuck on top of the lake. Oh, they're doing it. Okay.
Yeah. I need him to periodically come back to the middle. And then consume everything close to the middle. I mean,
If night, then come back home. Because you don't want them to be coming back home all the time, right?
Wait, I can't edit.
No.
I mean, for sure I can't. Like, even day 10, they don't give you a little something.
I don't think so.
Can you save your
Xenotypes, yeah.
and then when you replay, you have them all pre-programmed?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing to do on the tick is to figure out if it's day or night. I need to undo this. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if... No, I need a condition. Daytime, nighttime. So if is day is my true false. If it is day, do this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, this move to target. And then it'll restart.
Yeah.
And then ideally I would just have this join this flow. So it doesn't sit there all night, because it could still do stuff at night. But then I'd have to add all of this again. Alright, how do I restart now that I have them programmed?
I don't know, press escape? I think that just exits full screen. Give up.
Give up, but it'll keep this?
I think so.
Try again. Right?
I think it just takes a second.
Okay, how do I get rid of this?
I don't know. Main menu then?
No, 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 no. Okay, so it just started, right?
Yep. You're day one, you're paused, you have your Xenos.
What is this guy? He just harvests?
He was your, like, gatherer, dude. Brings it back to the base.
Oh. Bring back. What was this one?
Janitor.
Oh. Clean up. This one,
Eater man.
he just consumes.
And then goes back at night now.
Eater. This one?
Does nothing.
This one builds walls.
I don't remember.
And this one does everything, but it doesn't work.
Right.
Broken. Alright, so I need him. Which is fine, because if he gets far away, then nighttime, I don't care if he stays there, because it might take all nighttime
To get back.
So then ideally we would have this guy. But he doesn't really work. This should work. He's gonna go here, then because they're close to the screen.
True. For now.
He doesn't have any walls to build. And then I just keep building these guys, right?
Yeah, you might want, I don't know, more consumers? Not sure. Eater dudes?
No.
Okay.
Ooh, the green stuff spawns.
Yeah.
Oh, so you definitely don't need more eaters.
That's true. If it spawns, then it has time to grow before.
Yeah, see, he's stuck in Sherm loop. So I definitely don't want more of them because they're limited usefulness.
Right.
Why didn't he grab that one?
I don't know.
Because that guy had it in his hand when he started moving.
Yeah, could be.
What day does the attack come?
On the start of night 2, the first one spawns top left. Somewhere over there. Not exactly sure where.
He's bricked. Why you bricked?
Weird.
What are you doing? Can't even click on him. Oh, he's fixed.
Nice.
Fixed. Now the only thing is if I can make them smarter to avoid getting damaged. Like, don't move if it's nighttime.
Right.
This is Marco that was in the musical.
Yep.
And he's a programmer.
Yep.
Where does he work?
Entrepreneur, baby. This is his current means of sustenance and everything.
People pay to enter the competition?
No, so he made a game trailer and entered it in a contest for game trailers where like the best concept for a game would win. Oh, it's nighttime and he's home. The eater's just chilling there.
Yeah. Now I don't have enough eaters. I think you're right. I'll grab an eater.
Oh no.
Oh no.
He's gonna do the same thing, right? She's gonna go to Nucleus.
Yeah, but at least next day, they'll make more.
Right. There'll be more frass for these guys to keep working.
Second night, you said that thing happens?
Yeah. Yeah, so he made a trailer and it won a contest of like 550 games. So then he had a meeting with the, I don't know, runners of that contest, and they like agreed to purchase 20% of his company if he has a working prototype or something within X amount of time. So this is part of that process to get his game made. And then he'll get a contract and they'll like fund his company basically.
Okay, so move to target, and then I want to find nearest green thing. And then move to target. Because if I have one that's smart and then I don't need two that are dumb, move to target and consume. And then it'll restart. And then it'll be nighttime and it'll go there.
Yeah, so is it going to do like the other one did and just bite the tree once?
Oh no.
And then restart its thing?
It'd be nice if these were drawn separate. I think you're right, but
Still better than nothing.
let's try. So it's nighttime, it's gonna go there, get a green thing, and then restart the loop and go back. Oh wait, we can see its poop meter. 1 tick. Yeah, at least it's doing something.
Yeah.
So I should just delete these. They basically do nothing at night because the ticks are so tiny.
Yeah. Because the whole purpose of this is just to get them eating stuff closer to the base, right? Every once in a while.
Yeah.
So there's got to be a better way to do that.
Okay, so they're gonna do that, and then I'll Oh, jeez. Is he broken? Was told to move to target, but target is invalid. So that's it? You're stuck?
Give him a minute. Maybe someone will bump him.
But this is like the prime eater time.
It's true.
So I need to...
Oh, nice. He's going south.
I need to add if else to all these move to targets and consumes and everything.
You can't, though.
Why?
Because there's only, like, pickup if else conditions, right?
Really? There has to be.
Well, if you look at the if else thing, it has, like, flow and then true or false, but something needs to go into that true or false. Like the day has a question mark, and then the pickup had a success question mark. There wasn't too many options.
But consume doesn't?
No, I guess not.
Yeah, I could see this being a fun game that people try and get high scores. You'd have to patch all the broken stuff, though, because, like, you figured out the broken thing.
Yeah.
But you can't win, I guess.
Yeah.
But it's like, Flappy Bird's fun because it's hard, but if you just, like, spam up at the top and you're out of the map and you just stay up there and just flap, 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 then that's no fun.
Right.
Okay. And yeah, I don't know, somehow the green needs to be like a hold control or shift or something when you do it.
Yeah.
Because I want to stay in this mode.
To see my greens all the time.
Because, to see green.
You can be in that mode if you click the eyeball, but then click the hand again to toggle the hand on and off.
Ah, very nice.
Yeah.
Need some, like, highlighted so you can tell it's on or not. But yeah, this is good. And he's going to do that. They're doing that. Which is fine. And then maybe those. This guy is just useless. We tried.
Yeah.
But yeah, structures are pointless because you only need one.
Yeah.
I mean...
If there was a way to generate currency, then yeah, there would be a point.
Okay.
I was able to get the hauler working by placing a blueprint up top left and then telling him to move to that and then find a frass.
That's smart. Alright. And that's it. I can't build anything else, right?
Yep.
Ooh. Last one.
Oh, you got another one. They cost 32 to build your builders.
Really?
Yeah, you have 44 right now.
So it's nighttime and they're doing their Sherm mode.
Just little bites. An oil up feature would be good.
So I need to build a structure and tell them to move there, but don't build it.
Yeah.
Don't drop off any frass. And then consume green. But it's the same thing.
Not consume green, just grab a frass and bring it back to red. And then go to blue. Grab a frass, bring it back to red. Drop it.
The greens you're talking about.
Your bring back guys.
Oh, yeah, those are fine.
That's what I was using the blueprint for. Because you can only plant green pheromone.
But how can I fix these guys from chilling all night and doing this?
Yeah, I don't know.
Because if I built a structure and I said go to the structure, But then they're going to go consume structure, and it's the same thing.
Yes.
So. Alright, have they started over there? Okay. Oops. And now I just draw green.
Yep.
Like this.
Yeah, so he actually damaged and broke through your wall there.
Here?
Yeah. Because anything touching the yellow always gets damaged.
And this hasn't spawned yet. And there's still all this to consume. So 3 eaters is fine. First thing you have to do is kiss, then get a hot tub. An oil feature would be good. Any news on the battle pass? Where you unlock, you can make the green be poop colored, like...
No, you get power in this battle pass. What would the power be?
Electricity? Or like mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell?
No, like you get more currency to start.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
And then you can refund and get like 80% back instead of 50%.
Pay to win.
Yeah.
So there, here, that goes there. Except they all go to the closest.
Yeah. Oh, you got a little troop down there doing their
This?
bottom, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't see them.
This is as far as I can zoom out.
Yeah, I wanted more zoom out feature as well.
But then you gotta draw more and it's already struggle bus.
Yeah.
You should definitely get more currency. There should be green things to consume and then like gold to mine.
Yeah.
But maybe every time you mine the gold, your health goes down. So your guy costs you 10 and then he gets you 50 gold and then he dies.
Right.
So it's not an infinite money glitch. You have to keep switching and spawning and it's active.
Like some sort of like lava thing. He goes in there, grabs heat, something.
Yeah, and he has some heat suit that wears out. Or even if he doesn't, you just destroy him when he gets low from the lava.
True.
And then it's active. You have to
Be there
micro.
purging.
Are they dead? Are you dead? No, something in our program.
One's working. That's weird. They're gonna fix themselves at
Yeah,
night.
they'll fix themselves at night. That's a good thing. So this one hasn't spawned yet? Were you doing this well when you...
No. I was much more focused on I don't know, my guys were breaking themselves all the time. So like you took 2 runs to figure out how to program them and now you have a successful run.
Yeah, from the
And
beginning.
I just struggled programming them for a long time.
Okay. So they don't spawn at the same time?
No. You'll have an extra day, like tomorrow night, it'll go bottom left. But then the night after that, it spawns really close right.
Over here?
Yeah, it spawns like right there. They're broken and not returning home at night.
Should
That's weird.
Kill 2 of them to get one good one?
I guess so.
Need more over here. Don't know enough.
Nope.
This one's gonna stay for this night?
Like, the way the enemy works is it comes, it bounces off that, and then it decides I need to find a new path. And then it starts going elsewhere.
So I got so lucky. If that wasn't there, we would have gone right.
Yeah. Which is a good point. Is if it always spawns in the same spot, and always...
You need 3 pixels.
Yeah. And then if you can figure out exactly where it's going to bounce to, then you
No,
block right
no,
there.
no, no, no. Look at this traffic jam. Okay.
The trees also block it, so you're pretty safe up there.
But next nighttime, that'll move from there.
Yeah, so it's always going to damage that wall that it did hit, and then it will eventually...
Well, as long as these 2 don't brick themselves,
Yeah.
because I can't rebuild them.
Yeah. Unless you start getting rid of builders.
Oh yeah, I could do that. I'd have to. They all have good life. Which is good. They're patching that. Patch of this. So now I just draw green when there's no green.
Yep.
And try not to draw too much green at the same time.
Yeah. Because they always go to the closest green to them.
Yeah.
So.
Which is why I should tell them to come here.
Yeah, you think you could
Like
fit it
the
in the
first thing, come here. Then go find the nearest frass. Then go to the nearest thing from the frass.
But then they're going all the way to the green, all the way back to the thing, grabbing a frass, go to the green.
Yeah.
It's a lot of walking. Whereas here they're just...
Yeah. That's why I had those other guys bring it there, but that doesn't work. I wonder if Marco knows what we're doing wrong.
Maybe.
What's this blue? Oh, a wall that was there before I drew a bunch of green. This needs love. Doesn't want to eat that? Okay, it did. I have a lot of people. I don't remember having this many people before.
No, certainly not.
So if this one is super, it's only 38 compared to 32.
Yeah, the complexity's not that bad.
The eaters are 36 because the nighttime
Yeah.
duplicated everything. Even though the nighttime doesn't do anything because they nibble.
Yeah. And, like, super endgame, maybe it's better
To what?
to have them not eat all the time, because then something spawns and it doesn't have a chance to grow.
True.
It's just getting consumed insta.
True. And then they have to travel much further, and then these guys are all traveling much further.
Yeah.
Can you pick up multiple frass?
I don't think so.
But we never tried.
No. Could be a thing.
Because it's drop all, which implies you could pick up multiple things.
True.
And there's checks on
There it is. Good thing you got that straight line covered.
And this one's moving. And this one's moving. Oh, and then you said this one's gonna spawn.
Yeah, next night.
So does it just bounce off random?
I don't know how it works. Probably some sort of math equation, right? If you hit a wall, redirect X degrees.
It could be set refraction, like you're talking about.
Because those little arms that come off the main yellow one also find walls. So if they do hit the 1 pixel, maybe it will just go around it. Because it'll detect. But yeah, so it bounced. Oh, it died? Did it break a wall already? That seems crazy. It was a full HP wall.
Yeah, but then it stopped in its tracks, and now it's going that way.
Okay, yeah. That one's basically gonna get stuck in the forest, which is good. Until your dudes eat the forest, because the forest acts as walls. With infinite
So
HP.
I just need this.
Yeah.
It's gonna spawn next night.
Yeah.
So how do I get them over there?
I don't know.
So I can put these down for free.
Yep.
Can't move it?
No. It's there forever now. And it should be fixed. The thing that I was doing where the enemy hits it and then...
Should we test?
Sure.
If I close this... Oh, I can move the windows over. It's too close?
Yeah, so that was a thing, but then if you like slam it into the corner, it was fixing
Like,
that kind of problem.
make this?
No. I was able to just like slam it into bottom left and then it would be free to place wherever I wanted. But he might have fixed that, I don't know.
Be nice to move these. Alright, that one came in built, so that means that's the closest.
Yeah, for wherever he grabbed his frass. But it seems like these guys are going up north or something.
Well, there's nothing. Oh no, there's a little bit over there. And there's a little bit there. This I want there.
The eaters should be eating again. Daytime.
That one's bricked.
Uh-oh.
Why you brick? I was told to move the target, but target is invalid.
Because the other one consumed his tree, I guess?
But there's, like you said, there's no if else on consume.
Yeah.
There's no success on consume. Consume. So move to target. It was just pickup that had success.
Yeah.
So consume needs a success. But also there should be a way to just restart.
Yeah. Instead of a purge button, like a
Oh,
stun
no.
your unit for 5 seconds and restart their code.
Oh, it's paused. I was like, yeah, he bricked everything.
Oh. Yeah, because you entered the code. It costs 36 to make and you have 30.
So I need to simplify.
True, you could edit his code and make him
Simple
dumb.
eat. So just find, move to constant, find nearest, and consume. How much is this going to cost?
29.
29 still?
Yeah. There we go.
And he'll just eat.
Yeah.
And he went the right way, and now... But he'll get far away at nighttime, which is fine. Because even if... Like, that guy's already up there.
Yeah.
I have 1 currency.
Some pretty good spending.
I just need these guys to not be so bunched up. I need this to finish.
Yeah.
And like, even if I put the janitor, he'll come clean this up. He won't come clean.
That's true.
What I need to do is build another one of these. Then the janitor will spawn and... But
but that'll cost 20 frass just to...
Yeah, plus I have to program someone to build it.
Yeah. Well, you can kind of cheese it, because if you just drop things there, then they build. If the frass gets dropped in that blue box, it counts as 1 of 20. So you can tell them just to move to blue hormone and then drop.
Yeah, or I just draw green there. I thought that's what you were saying.
Oh, yeah, you could do that too. That's even better.
Oh no, but they're told to build wall at green. They're not told to drop at green.
They could be told to drop at green.
Yeah, they could, but if I'm going to reprogram, then I could just reprogram to go build it at blue.
Yeah. Unless you're trying to min-max your code.
An exact replica of the water temple from Ocarina of Time should be added.
Where?
Yeah.
As the construct? You can build the water temple?
Okay, how's this guy doing? Okay, he's eating up a storm. I need one of the people to go down there. It'd be nice if you could pick them up and drop them. But then you're kind of cheesing the programming.
Yeah.
But you need like a find furthest or something to compare distances.
I mean, if it's like a hive mind scenario, I need to be able to take over a unit, dungeon keeper style.
Dungeon
as,
keeper
like, the
style?
overlord.
No, that's too OP.
Yeah, I guess so.
We just need like a loop construct, success on consume, because then those guys wouldn't have been bricked.
Yeah.
It's nighttime, right?
It is now nighttime.
So this is supposed to be moving?
I mean, I think that
Oh
one's
no.
gone off the map.
Oh no, he fixed the bug.
Okay, so yeah, that's fixed.
Oh no. I'm dead, right?
You have that wall. I don't know how the bounce will work. The only threat is if he gets through that crack between the building and the wall.
What if I build here? It's pointless?
I don't know.
So I need to time it so that right before he picks up, I draw wherever.
I know that definitely works, but I don't know if you can interrupt it behind its like vanguard point there.
Vanguard?
Yeah, like the tip of the spear.
I should have just put 1 pixel. Where'd all my people go?
I don't know.
I have one.
Did they all try to go up over?
They probably got eaten by this thing.
Yeah, maybe.
No.
Huh.
It'd be nice to know how many you have on the map.
Yeah.
Because I think they're dead, but are they stuck in a corner?
A total unit thing. F2, StarCraft 2 style. Select all units.
No, I just need a count of like on the field right now.
Yeah, that'd be good too.
Because if I know there's only one builder. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty boned.
Yeah, without all those units, definitely trouble.
Well, I need a nighttime don't move. But you need to move.
Yeah, that's where the hauler comes in handy, because if you had a bunch of stuff at the Nexus, and then they're building from there, then they're not doing the Sherm pathing.
Then I get to prioritize whatever's
Yeah.
close to here.
Yeah.
Because what I really need is now this. Especially if this is no longer a wall.
Yeah.
So. Which is what we tried to do. We tried to bring everything to the middle. But. Oh no, now I've trolled. Too much green. Erasing green would be nice as well.
Yeah.
And this guy's just eating.
I mean, that guy's good. He hasn't bricked himself. Oh, because no one else is eating his tree. So you can have one smart, complicated one, no problem. Oh, no, maybe not. Because if he tries to eat the same as the simple eat man.
Yeah, I just need to keep them separate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I know I wasted a couple on those guys getting bricked. And I know it's not even worth it to have them be complex.
Depends. Like, the 73% versus the 46% is only 4 units. So that seems alright.
Yeah, but it doesn't work. There's no success on consume.
Yes, for that specific unit. But
So-
for the pickup guys, I think it's worth it to have the complexity for them.
The
Right?
ones I have or ones that move?
The ones that you had, the builders, because they're checking.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah.
What do they even do? Find nearest, pick up, if success. So yeah, they don't get bricked. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's efficient.
But having separate units for separate things is way safer. Because if they get bricked, then you're just in trouble.
I think I just need simple eat. It's 29 versus 36.
Yeah.
Because they don't get bricked. And if they're off in the world, whatever, I'll just spawn another one.
True.
So stop using eater. Don't use cleanup. Don't use bring back, because whatever. Doesn't really work. They get bricked.
Unless you try the blueprint strat. That was working.
So what is it?
Yeah.
Find nearest Frass. Move to Frass. Pick up.
And then follow, instead of move to target, go follow blue pheromone. And then they'll move there and then drop. Or no, that's not what it was. Move to red pheromone, it'll go to the nucleus, and then drop. And then move to blue pheromone, so that it'll move away from the one it just dropped. And then it'll find a new one after it moves to the blue one.
Yeah, move to thing.
So you have it picking up, moving to nucleus, and then
Instead of green, this should be blue, you're saying.
that's follow pheromone blue. You're saying find, drop all at the nucleus, and then after the drop all at the nucleus, move to follow pheromone blue. Yeah, and that should work.
This?
Yeah.
But no success?
Yeah, you could add in some complexity on success to make it work. And that's where I get lost.
So if you successfully pick it up
Then move.
and move to target.
And if you don't, you want to circle back and find a new one.
And then this goes to that. Well, no, then I just go to here. I go to follow pheromone. Right?
If true, it'll go to the nucleus and drop it.
Yeah.
If it fails, you want it to go to blue? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that'll work.
Commands.
You might need another blue.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
No. Or I could go move to this.
But then he's gonna go all the way out, try to grab something. It's not gonna work, and he's gonna go all the way home.
Yeah, but I'm putting blue at home anyways. No?
No, you want the blueprint out in the field somewhere, so that he goes out into the trees basically, and then grabs the closest frass and brings it back.
Alright. What time is it? 9. Alright, so I speed this up because I can't do anything.
Yeah. I don't know what day we're at, but it might be far enough.
He's bricked?
No, he's just eating in his little corner.
No, you can't be bricked.
He's stuck.
It's already in Else's inventory? Else's inventory? What do you mean? You can't be bricked.
He's trying to drop it, but he can't get there, I guess.
So, why isn't this moving? It's back here moving?
Yeah, I guess it bounced off your wall and it's way back there.
Okay, so what did we fixed these bring back guys?
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Pause? No pause. Oh, there's another. Oh no, I drew a line. I don't have any builders. Should I kill him?
I guess. He won't be able to afford anything. But he's not doing anything regardless. He's stuck. I don't think you can build anything for 17.
Okay. Did I win?
Maybe. Probably gonna beat what I did.
High score? This is gonna kill me, right?
Yeah.
It's not this one for some reason.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I can kill this guy because I have poop on the ground somewhere. I might as well.
True. Oh, you still got a guy eating down there?
Even better. And he can't brick himself.
Yeah.
Not that that other guy was bricked, but... that one's gonna hit a wall, but this one will not.
They have 3 fucking attack walls coming. Uh-oh.
This is like too easy. I thought it would break through and I'd have to keep reinforce and reinforce.
Yeah.
This one's good. There's that one. 7. You got 8?
I got 6.
So this is
New record print screen.
alright.
Oh, there's a feedback button.
Is that new?
I don't know. I never noticed it before.
Goes to Discord.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Now that the men are programmed, you think it's worth that other one, right? Okay, so simple eat.
The haulers?
Why do you call them haulers?
Because they're hauling things back to the base.
Oh.
Because that's like a function of RimWorld, where you control pawns kind of like this.
Okay, then I'll do this guy. And he has nothing to build yet. Which is fine. He has to go that way. But we'll just put this for programming to see if it's programmed correctly.
And then you gotta put a blueprint somewhere.
Like up here?
Yeah. I mean, wherever the frass is going to be.
Oh, it needs to be on like the other side of the frass.
Well, he's going to go there, so you don't want it too far.
But now he's just gonna
Unlucky. You could have a new eater, and then he'll eat that way up that side of the water, hopefully. Or yeah, the builder will take the frass away. That'll help.
What happened? And now I just need all of these.
Yeah, now you're cooking.
The map's always the same?
Yeah. Hey, you brought 2 things there. Nice.
Yeah, I need him to be up here. So I have 2 eaters, and they can't brick themselves. But yeah, it would be nice if they like it came down here, which they'll never do now.
They might.
I need them to eat that, and then I spawn another one.
Right.
Where are you even going?
He was
Oh,
over
that
there.
was the closest.
Right.
Yeah, and that's why we had them come back. So maybe I'll do one of these. And then once that's gone, I'll do a simple eat down here. But other than that, I just need these.
Right.
And he's doing his job. I almost probably need more of this. No.
You sure that's where it was? What if it spawns 3 feet to the right? Because I don't remember exactly where it was.
No, me neither. Well, I should be able to build this quickly.
That's true. Then you'll be able to react.
Especially if the game wasn't the same every time, you'd have to do something like this.
Yeah.
I need to build them when they come up. It'd be nice to have a right-click auto, but then that takes the gameplay out of the game, so... Like a right-click auto spawn when...
Yeah. You need some macro.
Nice, if he eats this, then I'll do... Because he's going to go up. So I need... this. Yeah, he's going to go up. So this guy should go down, yeah.
Nice.
Now we're set. We're completely 100% set. He's going to be gorging on that. And then I just have... Oh my gosh, I have kind of too many.
Eaters?
Yeah.
That 3 seems good. Well, I guess you have 4, but that, I don't know, it seems fine to me.
I need that to get built. Oh, I thought I was zoomed out that whole time. And I was like, nice, nice, nice. These should be beep, 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 beep. What's going on?
The closest one's one of those, I guess.
No, I need this. I trolled myself. But if I keep spawning, hopefully... It's weird that I build it and then it takes it away and I want to put it back, but there's no point because once you build there, it's going to make a wall.
Yeah.
I think I've set. I think I'm going to destroy 8 days.
Yeah. You're in a good spot, I think.
Is this guy useful is the question. Definitely is because emergency stuff. These should be like quick things now. Yeah, go over there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Macro.
I need this thing. Which they'll
Top
do
left
that.
first, and then top
They'll
right.
do that. Yeah, but they're good.
Yeah. And once they're good, then they're gonna all start bouncing up top. Macro.
Nice. I thought this guy was bricked. But as long as they're... Oh no, is this guy bricked? No, he's building poop. Okay, it'd be cool if the complexity determined speed or something. So if I had someone just move closer, but they were moved quicker, because there's no point in doing that now when everyone moves the same speed. But it'd be nice to have like a bucket brigade.
Right.
If they could just hand it off. Like a find nearest person that will accept this and hand it to them.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Little squire dude.
Okay, so now this is getting built. This is great. Oh, macro.
True.
And then after that gets built, I'll draw out here. And this guy's still down here. Oh yeah.
Much.
We're juicing. Assuming the green's in the same spot, I think we're good there.
Like the enemies?
No, this green.
Oh.
Because remember it came and then it got caught in the green and there was all green here.
Right.
So macro. And then I'll do ×3. So that's it. I can't build anymore.
Yeah, no more build ores.
Can build a cleanup.
Yeah.
Which we don't want.
Even the simple eat is too much. Just by one.
Nice.
Oh, beauty.
So now it's going to eat the wall, so I should rebuild this.
Yeah. That's good.
And then this should go. And then I need this to get built from here.
Yeah, if that guy could just start eating left, that would be very helpful.
Yeah, if you could. So, if he could come to green, maybe.
Every once in a while?
Yeah.
How's that?
Because then he's eating this. And then that's.
Oh. Right.
So if I. So simple eater. So at nighttime, instead of going here, go to green. Go to the closest green. Yeah, that's good. Because you don't need to come all the way. You just need to stop being off in the boonies.
That's true.
So.
But he's still gonna eat slow.
Oh yeah, he's gonna do that stupid thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so I can't build anymore, so I just times 3. This is the next one?
Somewhere over there, yeah.
Oh, I almost drew a green. Should have turned it off before closing.
Yeah, I kept trying to escape to get off the finger, but that didn't work because it exits your like full screen. That's all it does.
Yeah, escape is definitely more important than like you just want a full screen once, and escape's an important button. You could map to other things.
Yeah, like that's why F11 exists.
And then after they do this, I'll draw that, right?
Yeah, you got a couple days for that one, so.
Jeez, the heck? So quick. Should I reinforce?
I think we're good. I wonder if it can go up off the map and then come back down elsewhere. I don't know though.
Ooh, I liked that.
Overwrite.
I thought they were already predetermined.
Yeah, I guess they're constantly checking the closest. So one thing is you do have to defend the path between your frass and your base, or like where you're gonna build your next walls. Because if your dudes try to go grab stuff and then they get ganked at night by the damage, you lose all your dudes again.
So like this should be stop them as early as possible.
Well, I think you're doing good.
I think I'm laughing now.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh! Yeah, so it went over the map, and then...
No, it was... Oh,
well, those ones went out and around.
Yeah, I need them here.
Yeah.
Wonder if I should have just drawn like this.
True.
This can't escape, it has to come all the way up and over.
Yeah. I can't jump the river.
But it can jump the map.
Yeah, that's true.
Nice.
See, they're walking through
Mm-hmm.
damage.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh no. Half health. Where are you building now?
Oh,
no, they're dying.
They're dying.
So you have to like always come back. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Or don't build at night, because night is the only time you can get damaged. So at nighttime they consume.
What's this?
And at daytime they build. I don't know. That's wild. I've never seen that before.
Have the same ones daytime, nighttime consume?
Pardon?
Have the same ones consume during the day and then nighttime build? Or the other way around?
Yeah, other way around. Because they're dying when they're trying to build at night.
Yeah. Again, if I had priority, it's like finish this, which is going to kill you during nighttime.
Yeah.
Or even if I could erase it, because that's totally not needed.
Yeah.
This guy, I should kill that guy.
Yeah, he's stuck now.
Oh no!
Oh. We lost a good soldier.
Did we? Oh, I could save them. Prevent them from going over here.
True.
Beauty. What's this one doing? These are done?
Yes, they've decided that it's not working and they're going to find a new path from that original.
What day is it?
I don't know.
That would be nice to know.
You only get a counter at the end, I guess.
No building going on up here. No building going on up here. Building here and building here. So I have like 4 or 5 guys.
Damn.
So I should get rid of eaters.
Yeah. Does it matter which one? Probably the north one? No, I don't
This
know.
one at least can unbrick himself. But at nighttime he's useless.
Yeah.
Okay, this is escaping. That's contained. That's okay. This is the only problem I have. But now it's come back to here.
The walls should link all nearby walls that are allowed, not just like the closest one.
Agree.
Because like you want to feed that little gap and it just won't fill it.
Agree. So you don't even look at Twitch chat.
I do. Normally I sit on the other one. The restream one has both. Left too? Yeah, that. But the playback is just super choppy. So
Oh no.
if I'm playing Elden Ring and I want to rewatch how I died to a boss, I'll go to the YouTube one because I can see the 15-second delay replay, which is actually pretty helpful sometimes. But most of the time I'm in the restream one so I can see both chats.
But it's this one?
Right one. That.
Okay, so we're nighttime. Oh no, this is...
It's just a little orange one. Maybe it's alright. There's all our dudes.
Just got one, I guess.
One left.
So I should kill... How many of these do I need to kill?
2, I guess.
Ooh. Kill him.
He died.
27.
He died. They're doing so much damage now. He walked into it for like 2 seconds.
Have to.
Yeah. So maybe you need more haulers. Or not build at night because they keep killing themselves at night.
Mm-hmm. I think, yeah, if I actually had haulers, then they could... And then you would be nice to have them at night because then when stuff's happening, you just quickly draw and then they... from the middle.
Yeah.
But the haulers don't really work. They go to the blue and then they just get stuck in the shroom loop.
Yeah, you make the blue farther then.
Yeah. So can I export these programs so that they're there next time?
I don't think so.
So we'll have to watch the stream and...
Yeah. Or print screen your different ones. To remember the code.
Because like nighttime, this guy's dead.
Yeah.
I'd have to just draw stuff to keep him alive.
I
Oh
don't think that
no.
he's taking... Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, 3 times speed. Alright, this one, nothing. This one, nothing.
Yeah, now we take bets. Which one will it be that does it?
This one, but...
Yeah. What's the top left one looking like? Yeah, it's pretty contained.
But it's got the river.
Yeah. That one's Fort Knox up there. It tried to do so many variations and it got blocked every time.
It'd be nice to get like 1 currency a turn so the dream is alive.
Yeah. Yeah, if you have a slow trickle of monies, like 10 a day, and then it slowly goes up.
Because daytime's completely wasted now.
I mean, it's all wasted.
At least nighttime progress is made.
Oh, yeah, true. Need a 5x feature.
Or skip day. If I could
Yeah.
just hit skip day, there's no point. Or it recognizes you don't have any money, you don't have any...
Units moving.
Yeah. Alright. Hey, vertical.
Never noticed that button.
Alright, nighttime. What's your money on?
Yeah, I think it'll be that one on the right. I think he'll get through
Here?
there, yeah. But then it's got to go through that wall at the beginning, like at the nucleus, so it's probably fine. Take a couple days, but it'll do the damage.
This one, I think it might be this one. Like, it's gonna bounce. Oh no, here we go.
Uh-oh.
Ikapoko.
Yeah, because it's got one wall.
Oh. If only I had dudes. Yeah, nighttime, you go there. And, it'd be cool if what's this thing?
Nucleus?
If the nucleus healed you, so you just go home at nucleus.
Oh, yeah, that'd be sweet.
And then if you really wanted complexity, you could check if health full. Go resume doing stuff. If you could have multiple flows to the same point to just loop.
Yeah.
Check health. Or even if tell them to build at night, but then if it gets low, go home.
Yeah.
And then some of them would still die because the pathing. But if you could add pathing, like a different color, like purple, you could escort it and be like, okay, you're here, between you and the thing is, and like go here, go here, go here,
a new thing.
Oh no.
I've never gotten this far.
Oh no, I did not prepare.
It'll bounce.
It's gonna bing, 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 look at this hole.
Yeah, probably.
No, go away, go.
Oh, what a champion, Lil Pixel.
Oh no, the right side's wide open. Look at that. Nighttime, come on, nighttime, daytime. The sunset, Gandalf. 10 evenings.
Nice.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah. GG.
It's fun, and then the replayability could be random monster spawns, random enemy spawns, random maps.
Yeah.
And then 2-player, where you compete with someone. So you get the same map, the same spawns, and then you win. So you don't have to go 20 evenings. You just go until you win. Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely very cool.
Thanks for playing.
Thanks for showing me.
Yeah. But I'm gonna end stream and I'm gonna go to bed. Maybe try to make a highlight or two, but
Send me the link.
okay. That's it. That's